songs about natural disasters. Let's learn this After the Earthquake by Alvvays. It's a brand new song they just came out with. And what I'm going to do for this one is just play along with it, and then I'll put diagrams on the screen, and I'll just kind of shout out when I got something to say. Yeah, I played that little riff. That's it. B, A, A sus, B sus. Just playing A sus to B sus. Doing arpeggios. It's the verse. B. It's the chorus. F sharp minor. E. B. F sharp minor. E. B. They go into the chorus. They play that several times. Get out of the chorus, they go C sharp minor, A, B. That's the only time C sharp minor comes up in the song, because it's just a transition chord. It's the song is in the key of E, and so this is the relative minor. That's why it works. Guitar solo, same as the chorus. Major or A sus, B major or B sus. So A to B is the verse, then to get to the chorus we go. Alright, that walk up would be open, 2, 4, 5. Just play it all on the E string, it end up at B. We know A is here, so you go. So up your preference, how you want to play that. And then we go to the chorus, and that's and then they go in after that chorus there. Then they go into this synthesizer section where they really bring it down. This is what the chords are for that synth section: F sharp, E, A, or B, A, and then it just goes to F sharp, E, B towards the end of it. That's what they play at the beginning of the synthesizers, except they're playing it on keyboards. F sharp, E, B, A. And then about halfway through, they just get rid of that A and they just go F sharp. Yeah, you're gonna climb your way out. Here's the little transition out of the synth section. So we go, we're on B, play a C, just a chromatic passing chord. And then we go F sharp minor to B. Way out. Are you awake now? And then the guitar solo starts, and the guitar solo is just like the F sharp minor, E B. That guitar solo is played over that E sharp minor or F sharp minor. That's what the guitar solo melody is. Just jamming at the end, guitar solo. So it's a D, which is the first time we have it in the song. That's how they end it. Have fun playing that song. Bye bye.